All right, to finish out reading for the week before you take your Storytown test and your grammar quiz and all of that, I want you to reread The Mountain Story. So remember that starts on page 316. It's expository nonfiction, and you're going to reread it. Now, I know that this one is pretty challenging. There's a lot of big words and stuff in there. Just do your best rereading it. Stop after each page before you turn the page and think about what you just read. Think about what it means. And then for grammar, you're going to also kind of finish out that packet, 2 more pages. You're going to do page 43 and page 44. So let me help you a little bit with those. 43, we do this in class all the time. We read the student's rough draft, and then we answer the questions that follow. So it asks us for plural forms of a word, plural form of a word, plural form. Asks how many plural nouns are in sentence 4. Let's look at that one. I can see fish in the ponds, berries on the bushes, and birds and butterflies in the air. Let's underline all of the plural nouns in that sentence. I know ponds, I know berries, I know bushes, birds, butterflies. There's air, but air is, oh sorry, I always forget if you can see it or not on the screen. Air is not a plural noun. There's only one air. There's not 2 airs. Let's think for a second. Did we really get all of them? What about the fish? Fish in the ponds. It doesn't say I see 1 fish. It says I see fish. So this fish is actually plural. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's your answer for that one. This one's kind of challenging, so I'll help you with it. What is the singular form of the plural noun activities in sentence 6? Is it activiti, activity, or activity? How do we spell it? That's pretty challenging, but if you remember the rule for this was they would have dropped the Y, added an I, and added ES. So it's going to be spelled like this, activity. Because then they drop the Y, add an I, and do ES. So it's this one. So you can go back to answer those ones. And then for 42, you do not need to rewrite each sentence. You do not need to rewrite the paragraph. I just want you to fill in the blanks, at least for 1, 2, and 3. And for this paragraph one, you can just do this. So like last week I toured the farm outside town. It wants us to change the singular noun to a plural noun. So for farm would change to farms. You can just write it right like that. You're not rewriting the whole paragraph. That's just craziness there. I saw pig. You need to change it to pig, so you would write 5 is pigs. And so on. So if you want a number for yourself, so that you kind of know where to answer those, you might have to move on to up here. And 15. All right, pretty simple. Let me know if you have any questions.